And we're back with the old Allis. We got Michael and Dad. Dad and Michael, they got it all filled up with oil and all the good stuff. We cleaned up the tractor just a little bit. Dad, will it start?
It's an Allis.
Will the Allis start? Of course it'll start, it's an Allis. Dad went ahead and replaced that bushing, the seat. Might as well take her for a little toot.
I ain't taking it in the yard.
Oh no, no, it just... Brakes are working. The brakes really work. What are you saying?
Well, what I wanted was this 2-speed clutch. I got my PTO engaged so the mower would be running.
Yeah.
I put it in gear like I got it in reverse. See, I wanted to back into a corner to get the corner of a fence row or something, or back up in that ditch and knock down them stupid trees.
Yeah.
And I can just baby my 2-speed clutch, hold on to the brake.
Ah, gotcha.
Well, oh, it's still not wide open. Not fall off that ditch.
So you don't fall off the ditch, yeah.
Then you got the bad thing is you got to stop, let the mower stop.
Yeah. Just listen to that baby purr.
It ain't no stop.
No. Yeah, PTO spinning. And stop.
You ready to go back to work?
Yeah, ready to go back working.
One thing I ain't done is back that fuel gauge.
Yeah.
That leaks right there if you fill it up too much.
Yeah, you probably need to replace that gasket.
I know. Can't hardly get to these screws here with this on here. I think I've tried to bust them loose before, and I'm afraid I'm going to strip them out.
Yeah.
They'll probably break off.
That'd be a little spooky. I figured you take this thing down the road.
Down the road. I know it'll run down the road.
Well, yeah, it's got high gear.
I've had it down the road a time or two.
It's fun. You can't always beat a good old tractor.
No. Oh, fix the lights on one of these days and rewire everything.
Yeah.
Well, yes.
Yes. You gonna load it back on the trailer?
Not tonight.
Not tonight. Well, there's the old Allis.
Got fresh engine oil in her. She's ready for another go.
The brakes are working good. This brake seems to lock up just a little faster than the other one, it looked like.
Well, it had the new brake shoes where I suppose these were used.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Well, I guess we'll put her to bed, which is literally just pull the key out.
Well, I'm gonna pull up a little bit more.
Okay.
Watch how this baby fires.
They can't beat that. Well, there's the old Allis. We'll throw in some clips of Dad mowing out at the farm. You guys can enjoy those. And, well, this will be it on the old Allis. Unless you guys want to know more or we need to do anything else. We appreciate you guys for checking out Dad's old 58 Allis D14.
Did you tell him I put the... Is this gonna be...
This is a whole new video.
This is 85 140 I put in this here. It took almost 5 gallons.
5 gallons, 81, 85, 140.
And the service manuals, this is where the 2-speed clutch works. It only takes 20 weight, so I put engine oil in it.
It'll be fine. It's a tractor. It'll eat it.
Yeah. Well, that's all been changed. It's a good thing because it was nasty looking oil.
You got a jumpy spider.
Jumpy spider might be taking a trip to Williamsburg.
Alrighty. Well, I want to thank you guys for checking it out. And look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Michael would say bye-bye, but he's over there putting stuff away.
Bye-bye.
Did you really have to put the bolt on the camera? Did you really have to do that? What a dick.